Over 60,000 people in the U.S. have shoulder replacement surgery each year. Is shoulder pain limiting your daily activities? Have you been diagnosed with shoulder arthritis? Does the pain continue despite exercise, medication, or painful injections? Has your physician recommended shoulder replacement surgery? Shoulder replacement surgery is a proven treatment for the successful relief of joint pain. You may be a candidate for the bone-preserving Arthrex Eclipse Total Shoulder. Get back to doing the things you love most. Ask your surgeon if the Arthrex Eclipse Total Shoulder System is right for you.